Hi, this is Wizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share Instagram story to Facebook story automatically. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram allows users to automatically share their Instagram stories, posts, to their Facebook stories. After an Instagram user turn this feature on, when they share a post to their Instagram stories, it will automatically be shared to their Facebook stories as well. So, how to do it? It's so simple. So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can tap on your profile. Before that, I will show you first what if we made a story before we activate the feature to share automatically. You can see there's no option like Facebook to share to Facebook. At least you need to share it manually by tap and hold like this and like this, so you can share it to your Facebook. But what if you want to do it automatically? It's so simple. So you can tap on your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on sharing. You can scroll down and you can see on the bottom where you share your story and post outside Instagram. You can tap on the toggle share story to Facebook. You can activate the toggle by tap on the toggle. So, whenever you made a story, your story will be automatically shared to your Facebook story. Like this. You can see now there's a Facebook icon on your profile here. So when you tap on that, your your story, your Instagram story will also share to your Facebook stories. You can tap on continue. Sorry, just wait and see. Here's my Instagram story. And let's see on my Facebook. Yep, here you go. Here's also the story from my Instagram. So that is how to share Instagram stories to Facebook stories automatically. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!